Hi, we all just got this email from Chief Lane regarding the reminder on the Palomar College revenue sharing, and I thought it would be a good idea to just do a really quick review on how to do this from within Firehouse. So let me close this. This is our Firehouse on our Citrix server, so it's a little bit slow, sometimes a little bit laggy. But from here, some of the computers, a couple of them have these buttons set up, and that does the same thing. If you don't have the buttons, that's fine. All the computers can get to the same reports from here. You want to go reports staff activity. It actually doesn't matter which one of these you start. It just that just defaults to which one of these is open. So if I had done it in the incidents, I'd just close that and open the other. Anyway, what I'm looking for is staff activity, training, class programs, and then I'm looking for these three reports that are created, and I started them all with a Z so I could find them. All three of these are the same report, except that the first two have a set of hardwired dates. This last one is where we specify the date, and that's what we want to use. So I double click that, or I click the run button. It asks where I want to set the report to, and this is probably always a good idea to always do it to the screen, so that if you maybe do a huge report or you did the wrong report, we don't want it just to be tying up a printer for a while and wasting a lot of paper. So, and you can print it later. I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to send this report to the screen. It's running the part of the query. This is asking which dates and how I want to specify this. And you can do these two dates in either order. I'm here, so I'm going to do December 16th, and I can double click this. Brings up the date there, and then I go back to the other date. I think it was August 22nd, and I can double click it like it did, or I can click it and move this arrow over, and it puts it up there. Now if I make a mistake on one of these, I can click this arrow and move it back and try again. So now I've got the dates in there. I hit OK. Also, if you saw the wrong thing, you can actually go in here and edit these dates manually if you want to do a change here. Now I specify who I'm going to be running this report on, and I can type in my ID number if I only want to report on me, or there's a couple of ways to do it. I'm going to go ahead and do my station, and I'm going to do my crew. And each one of these, every time I enter a new set of fields in here, it's going to shave down the number of people that it runs the query on. So I've got all that in there. I'm going to run the query, and it gets the information, and then it basically puts it out in a little report here for us. So let's look down here at me. These are all the classes that I've taken. This is I think how many hours each one of them is. I'm not sure what exactly. And then I'm sorry, these are how many hours each one of them is. This one spills onto the next page, and then it gives me a summary. So I had 50 different classes for a total of 101 hours within that time period. And then you know, it's got the rest of my crew there that we can keep going through. And if I wanted from here, maybe that's the information I wanted, or maybe I can go ahead and hit print here, and then it's going to use one of the printers assigned to the computer, and you can go ahead and print out that report. So anyway, that was a review on that and how to get that information with a simple training report in Firehouse. Thank you.